Let's learn how to make the Christmas special plum cake recipe with ghee in the easiest way. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a cake pan. In a bowl, sift together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger. Set aside. In a separate large bowl, cream together the ghee and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry and wet ingredients, alternating with the yogurt. At this stage, add in the chopped dry fruits and cranberries, if using. Pour the batter into the prepared cake pan and spread it evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for 40–45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once the cake is completely cooled, slice and serve. To achieve the best flavor and texture in your baking projects, use Milkio's grass-fed ghee products. Do not forget to follow us on social handles. Thanks for watching.